Hey everyone, we have a set of Lexus GX470 LED fog lights wrapped up today for this customer. I've been building a lot of these recently, but we haven't posted a video in a while, so decided to take a short video showing this set that we built just now. We acquired brand new OE style fog housings and retrofitted the internals with the Diode Dynamics SSC2 Sport LED pods in yellow color output and SAE fog optic. So we're gonna cut this thing on just to give you guys an idea of what it looks like. These are the, of course, yellow output, so nice yellow color here when lit up. And forgot to mention that the internals were also completely blacked out per the customer's request. So the reflector bowl and the kind of the greenish chrome bezels have been blacked out. So it gives us a nice murdered out look. And when lit up, they look pretty badass with the yellow output. We do offer the SSC2 LED pods in either, you can get them either in Sport output or Pro. Default option would be the SAE fog output, and of course you can choose between white and yellow colors. So if you have a GX470, you need some LED retrofit fog lights, check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. You can order directly on our website, and we also have a headlight package upgrade for the GX470s as well. Really complements the fog lights. Get them both at the same time at VisionAutoworks.com. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Contact information is on the website.